Right, it's my Custom Cruisers, just a quick one. We've got a D-box here. We're going to wire this onto our chopper, okay? So we've got, that's the left-hand harness, that's the right-hand harness. These are going to go up to the bars. We've got our speedo ones, which means we're going to light the indicators. You're going to have a left indicator right into here. We're going to have, you know, all the other stuff on it, the oil light, the bloody neutral light, all that stuff as well. Okay, here's a rough wiring diagram that I've done, which does make sense to me, even though it might not to most people. Okay, here's your right hand switch, here's your left hand switch, here's your auxiliary out down to your neutral, oil light, speedo illumination, P-bulb, tail light, number plate light, etc. And then we got the start relay and all the other stuff. Okay, it is actually a lot simpler than it looks. The speedo sensor is these colours, so we're going to wire that in as well to the speedo. All right, got a digital, decoder digital speedo, pretty cool. Got all the unit lights built in as well. That one doesn't do RPM, but you actually need that on the cruiser. Okay, MikeCustomCruisers.com. Thank you. 01773 835 666. Thank you.